You ever have those days when self-doubt takes over? Yeah, me too. But here's the thing. Islamic values have some powerful lessons about believing in yourself, even when you feel like you can't. Let's start with a core concept. It means putting your trust in God, but it's not just about leaving things up to fate. It's about doing your best, giving it your all, and then having faith that things will work out. Imagine you're preparing for a big exam or a new job. Islam says, prepare, study, hustle, then trust that your efforts matter. Another principle, seeking forgiveness. It's not just about being sorry, it's about letting go of your mistakes and moving forward. We all mess up. But Islam teaches that every day is a new chance to improve, to grow, and to start again with confidence. And finally, remember, in Islam, why you do something is as important as what you do. So, set your intention. Decide you're going to rise above self-doubt for a higher purpose. So next time you're doubting yourself, remember, trust your efforts, forgive your past, set your intentions. Islamic values aren't just spiritual, they're a blueprint for unstoppable self-belief. You've got this.